Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you just stopped by, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. So today I'm participating in a challenge called as All You Need Is Love Tier Tray Collab, and this is hosted by My Blessed Nest. And if you haven't already been to her channel, I'll leave the link of her channel in the description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So let's get started. This is my final reveal of festive Valentine's Christmas tree and my tier tray. So let me start with the Christmas tree. This is the white Christmas tree from Dollar Tree, and this carton I actually made from cardboard box. That will be, I'll leave the link of this how I made this box in a description. And I circled this Christmas tree with this lavender boa and also pink sheer ribbon around it, and also this pink ball lights, and they are glowing in fact, but because the sun is bright you can't really see it. And I also decorated a lot of flowers around it, purple flower, pink flower. So I absolutely love my Valentine's Christmas tree. Yeah, let me know your thoughts on this. And let's talk about the tier tray. And this tier tray I decorated with all kinds of Valentines and love symbols. So let me start with the bottom tier. And these are some of the laser cut wooden hearts from Dollar Tree. They come 6 in a pack. And this is one of my necklace, the pendant of the necklace that broke, so It's pink in color, so I just decorated. And these hearts, I prepared it from cardboard, and I actually covered it up with yarn, the pink color, and this cute birdie in the back is pink purple, and she's sitting in the back. And mug is from Dollar Tree, and I just stuck golden stickers as love, and I also gave one of the rub-on sticker on the top. It's actually a peacock feather, and one more heart on this side. And I made a garland from picking up all the pink beads in that packet like I showed you, and I also gave the tassel with twine. And that's about with the bottom tier. Let's go to the top tier. And this one I showed, this is actually a chocolate box. This box with pink or purple flowers and also beige flowers around it. And I also stuck some of the smaller flowers to just fill up the gaps, and that says Happy Valentine's Day. And this is also one of the cardboard piece. I just covered it up. I cut it in the shape of heart, and then I covered it up with yarn like you saw the process. And this is also one of the wooden heart and one rose. And this is actually one of the projects that's going to come up tomorrow. And this is actually a soap petal box, and I stuffed a lot of eucalyptus greenery in there, and then I created a bow on top. And yeah, this is my love tier tray or Valentine's tier tray. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.